Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. Hopefully you are doing great. We are looking at Bank Nifty. We are going to look at it in three different ways. One is what has happened, right? Two is what we should be kind of expecting. Third is our trade setups. If there are any trade setups, if at all, how we will likely to take them, right? So these are the ways we are going to discuss about Bank Nifty. Now let us straight away start into action. Now I'll just go into some weekly time frame. I want to show you all something. If you see here, right now, just one second, I'll ये देखो ये क्या हुआ था कि there was a rising wedge in the weekly time frame before we got a breakdown, but it tried to maintain this particular breakdown and formed a kind of a triangle. You can say symmetrical हो गया या descending triangle, जो भी बोल सकते हो, right? This particular support level, which was at 41,600 level, was taken down this week, right? So there is a huge red candle that is being formed. Now we know all the reasons behind it. Thanks to Hindenburg's research report, there was a little bit of panic and people tried to sell, I guess. So that's what I feel. I am not sure whether if there is any other news to that markets have gone down. We'll not even try to get into that fact right now, because for us what matters is कि patterns क्या बोल रहे हैं, chart क्या बोल रहा है, right? So right now if you see, there is this particular descending triangle being broken down. If I had to go with the particular this rising wedge, which you can see here, right? Usually what we do is, whenever there is a rising wedge breakdown, we look for the place till from where it started kicking off, right? So for that matter, for 39,500 seems to be an important level. Now I'll show you in the open interest also कि 39,500 as per the thing also is very high. Now look at this here in open interest. If I go on a weekly basis, this is sensible. Here if you see here, this particular thing, 39,500 has the highest amount of put selling, right? That basically means that people expect that the markets will not go below that level in this coming week till Thursday, right? So that is the one thing right now. So 40,000 and 39,500 are the important levels that I've already marked here. If you see 39,500, I have marked. 40,000 also is around here itself, right? So these are the two important levels. So if tomorrow prices comes down also, we will have a very we'll keep an eye on these levels, right? So if यहाँ पर अगर कुछ reversal मिलता है, we will look forward to buying it. But in case where there is no kind of reversal pattern and यहाँ पर break होगा, though then there is a chance that prices can further fall down, because we do not have much of open interest written below this level, right? So there is a high chance that prices immediately can call shifts हो जाएंगे, or we might get a little more derailed in the market prices, right? Now also that also means, boss, कि ये देखो, from 40,500 there has been a little bit of call sellings that have happened, except for 42,000, which is far away right now. So these levels agar price cross karta hai, that means there can be a chance of short covering coming into market. That means the prices can kick off. Now having said that, we'll go into a smaller time frame, the second part, and see our important levels. If the prices comes to our level and we get some good action, price action, we will take a trade. Now let's go into daily time frame, right? If you see the daily time frame also, it says the same thing, that there is a breakdown, it has come down. So interestingly, this is a place where the double bottom was created, right? If you see here, 1, 2, and then there was a breakdown. So this can be an area of importance to us tomorrow, right? 39,500 levels, right? If suppose the markets straight away opens here and does not cross your yesterday's low, right, and kind of starts moving slowly above 40,500, right? Because we saw that 40,500 के पास काफी सारे calls है, उसको अगर trigger कर देता है, तो there is a chance of price moving up. So if you see in 15 minutes time frame, I have marked it, which will be around these levels, right? Yeah, एक second. Now that will be around these levels, right? So what I'm saying is, if suppose the price opens here and does not cross below your yesterday's low and slowly starts moving up, there is a chance of small recovery. We can see, expect at least 40,100 के आसपास कहीं आ सकता है. But if the price breaks your yesterday's low, then there is a chance of the downside, which will be 40,000 levels, and below it we will look for 39,600 to 500 levels, right? So this is the price, this is the total plan for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. I hope everybody is clear with this. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Yes, now why I am not very kind of saying, "Ki boss, we will go with the puts or anything," is because there is as we know that on the 1st of February there is budget sessions, right? So if there is some good news in the markets can just trigger out, and all your shorts can go into haywire. That is why I'm a little cautious for the next 2 days, even though the market clearly, I mean, the price looks clearly on the downer side, right? So having said that, this is my plan for the coming next 2 to 3 days. We'll see how it works. If you have any questions, if you feel like you want to share something, please feel free to post them in the chat section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Have a great trading session and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.